So we're going to have a breakfast at a place called WARUNG UMAGO. It's on Jalan Kutat Lestari, and it's right near the rice fields. Looks like the rice is ready to be replanted again. Very nice. So a few people recommended it, so we thought we'd come in, check it out. So we're here for breakfast. Oh, they got some cakes and cinnamon rolls and stuff. Proper coffee machine, which is good. This is our friendly staff. How are you? All right, so let's sit down, see what breakfast's like. All right, so we're just going to check out the menu. We're only here for breakfast. That's all I'll show you in the menu. They've got an English breakfast here. 2 eggs, sausages, baked beans, garlic butter, bread, mushrooms. Sounds pretty good. Chicken, sausages, 55,000 to 65,000, depending on what you get. Nasi goreng, sandwich, avocado toast, or you can make your own breakfast. You know, just buy everything separate, eggs, avocado, butter, baked beans, everything separate. Okay, we're here for breakfast, so that's it.
Yeah, with the Bali coffee.
Yep.
And then after that you have it with the scramble, and for you with the sunny side up, yeah?
Yep.
Anything else?
No, that'll do, thanks. Thank you.
I'll make it for you, thank you. English breakfast chicken with you.
All right.
Sunny side up, yeah?
Thank you.
Terima kasih, enjoy.
Okay, so this is the big breakfast. Let's get some bread. We've got like, it's supposed to be chicken, just chicken meat, sausages, eggs, baked beans, mushrooms and tomato. It looks good. It was about, what was it, 55,000? About $5, so way cheaper out here in the rice paddies compared to on the other side of the highway there. Anyway, we'll check it out, see what it's like. Yeah, and also you get a coffee or a tea with it as well, so great value. So what have we got? All right, so the chicken sausages, taste good actually. And sliced chicken meat instead of bacon. Not too bad. And the mushrooms got heaps of garlic and that on it. Okay, I'm going to hook into this. All right. Thank you. All right, so that was pretty good. Very good value actually. Cost us about 100,000 or something for breakfast, 110,000. So about $10 in that for 2 of us. So great value compared to on the other side of the bypass in Sanur. That breakfast we had there was a lot more expensive, more than double. And it's a very nice place. If the rice paddies were just planted again, it'd be beautiful and green. They've got the huge rice paddies across the road here. So anyway, come and check it out. What's it called? UMAGO WARUNG. So it's a really nice little area here. There's still a lot of rice and that in the middle here. I suppose that backs onto Renon. It might be Renon across there. Such a nice area, yeah. It's not so far from Sanur, I suppose. It's still classed as Sanur or right on the border of Renon maybe, or SEJA. Yeah, there's still a lot of land out here. Morning. Is this a hotel too, is it? Is it? All right. All right, so they've got villas attached to it. Archer Villas. All right, so we're just going to have a look around. I suppose the coffee shop at the front. Hello, how are you?
Good morning.
So they've got a good big coffee machine, which is good. So the villas are out the back out here. Oh yeah, it goes right down. So there's a bunch of villas down the back. So I suppose the restaurant part is just here and upstairs. We'll just go upstairs and have a look. Hello. Wow, it's nice up here.
Yeah.
So this is parts enclosed in, might be an aircon part. Very nice. So it looks like it's all just new renovated or something like that. It's obviously been here a long time with the villas and all that, but yeah. So this is the big Prama Beach Resort across the road. And you've also got WARUNG Mina. They're actually building a big bunch of units or something there next to the gang going down to the beach. So yeah, it's very nice. Check this little room out. Yeah, it's aircon. They've got 2 aircons in here, so I suppose they close this off when it's really hot or whatever. So anyway, very nice. So we've eaten a lot of places along this street actually. There's a lot of good warungs and stuff, little restaurants and that. So we'll go downstairs and eat downstairs. Really said for breakfast, It's only downstairs. Probably depends on how busy it is. Alright, so it's got a brunch breakfast menu. So we've got eggs Benedict, omelettes, bacon and eggs, nasi campur. I'm looking for SEJA Big Brekkie, I'll get that. And they've got a big breakfast vegetarian as well.
Big Brekkie, one cappuccino and flat white. Coffee latte.
Okay, thank you. So I'm going to try out the Big Brekkie, see what it's like. Now we're checking out the accommodation here, the Archer Villas, La Pramana Villas. So select room. So with breakfast it's $4,498,000, so $4.5 million, about $450 a night. So it's not cheap, that's for sure. And you can get places on the beach. I saw places like this, Brahma, would only be that price or cheaper. I know the Mercury's, it's only about $150 you can get a room right on the beach. So anyway, they're probably nice villas and that. So anyway, the Archer Villas. Okay, so just check that out for a coffee. Looks beautiful. So they've got a proper barista here. Now if you buy one you get one free, so I'll have this and one later. Thank you. Okay, so this is the big breakfast. Looks nice actually. Got 2 eggs, some baked beans, some ham on toast, chicken sausage and some mushrooms. And I get the 2 free coffee. Well, you buy 1 coffee, you get 1 coffee free. We got the eggs Benedict, which looks very nice. Just have to see what the hollandaise sauce is like. But otherwise it's good. Now also here they've got deals going on, like tapas and things like that. From 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. every day. You got tapas. You got your morning coffee, buy 1, get 1 free. Tapas hour, you buy 1, get 2, so you get a free cocktail if you buy 1 from 5 till 7 p.m. So they've got a lot of deals here. Street food night, every weekend from 6 p.m. they've got Asian barbecue going. So there's a lot of little deals here, romantic dinner. You know, so yeah, come in and check it out. But the breakfast looks good, so we'll just try it out and see what it's like. Bacon, bit of egg, bit of mushroom. Oh, the bread's good. It's like sourdough or something in there. So it's on a muffin, is it? Not bread? Alright. So the eggs Benedict's on a muffin. And yeah, it's got some, it's like avocado underneath it with the poached egg and the hollandaise sauce. Okay, thank you. So it was $268,000, about $27, thank you, which is pretty expensive for breakfast, but anyway, that's what it was. Just paid Chris Pay, Scan Pay. And yeah, that's it. So if you want to try it out, SEJA Restaurant and Bar. It's on Jalan Cemara in Sanur. So check it out. So we're here in Sanur at a little restaurant, I suppose you could call it, called PAON, Seafood and Balinese Restaurant. And they got, looks like they've got a pretty cheap breakfast menu. It says the eggs Benedict's 55, big breakfast 59, which is pretty cheap. Smashed avocado on toast 59, nasi goreng 30, mee goreng 30,000. So it seems pretty cheap, and it's nice. It looks nice, very quiet. So we're going to have breakfast here and check it out. So this is mainly the breakfast menu here: eggs Benedict, big breakfast, and the smashed avocado. That's the Western style breakfast. So that's what we're going to have in the menu. Otherwise, they've got entrees, soups, Balinese food, Indonesian food, stir fries, Western food, schnitzels, club sandwiches, things like that. Pizzas, pasta, barbecue, seafood as well. Okay, so it's nice in here the way they've built it around the trees and that. It's very nice. Bit of shade in it, so if it was hot it'd still be good in here, I'd say. It's been a little bit of rain this morning, so yeah. But otherwise, there's plenty of cover here out of the rain. So there's a lot of warungs and that along this road. Cemara, I think it's called Jalan Cemara. That's the Hanoi, Mi Vui, Hanoi one. There's a big Asian, Chinese, Japanese one across the road. They're all the way along here, little warungs and that. So we've eaten a fair bit along here, different ones over the years. But we never tried this one, so yeah. Menu looks good. PAON. And it's fairly well priced. Look at the size of it, it's huge, as big as your head. So anyway, Yuli got a pot of tea and I just got typical iced tea Tawara, tea with no sugar. Okay, so Yuli got nasi goreng. Let's get some kerupuk, bit of salad and fried rice. Good.
Good.
Thank you.
Salt pepper, yeah?
All right, thank you.
Enjoy.
Right, so that's my big breakfast. So again, there's no sausage, but there's bacon, hash browns, tomato, mushrooms and eggs and some toast. Try it out. And here, I'm not sure what this is, salt and pepper. Okay, so try out this bacon and eggs. Bread's good, sort of like homemade bread. Maybe sourdough or something. Hash browns are good. Everything's good. Right, I'll hook into this and get back to you when I'm finished. Okay, so that was pretty good actually. I finished the lot. And yeah, we'll see how much it costs. Anyway, Yuli forgot to bring her wallet and I forgot to bring my telephone, so I can't scan pay. And I've got no cash on me at all. So lucky Yuli's got a phone, so you're going to buy breakfast for us, darling, huh? All right, I should have ordered double. I should have ordered something else as well. Okay, so that was quite good. I liked it actually. So how much was breakfast?
With 60 with tax.
All right, so with tax and that, it was 160, about 15 bucks Australian. Anyway, that was our third option for breakfast in Sanur.